Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert sticky notes into the canvas of your app designs or projects on Base44. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you can use these sticky notes, for example, to leave an instruction to one of your co-editors who has been working on the same app project here on Base44 inside the same workspace. So what you want to do is navigate to the given app project, open it in the editor here on Base44. Then guys, you will need to switch to preview here, click into canvas and access the edit mode by clicking into this button next to it. Then guys, you will see a list of tools here to the right. Amongst these you will see the sticky note tool. You may also use the shortcut N for it. Or you left click, for example, to position it. And then let me just zoom in. You will see that sticky note. You can set the status here to do in progress done. Type, for example, I don't know, instruction here, for instance, for your co-editor. You may also, you see the author, which is my account currently. You may customize the text below, apply bold letters, insert a bulleted list, or send the sticky note to the chat as well. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.